Hello gorgeous, I'm so excited that you are looking into the Passion to Purpose program about reclaiming your personal power. Now I created this program because I see so commonly women suffering from debilitating things like anxiety and depression, but much wider than that as well. All signs of hormonal imbalance and dis-ease and discomfort in the body is essentially your body screaming out for help. It's saying, look at me, notice me, you are disconnected, you're not paying enough attention to me, because essentially you're living life off the path of what is best for your higher self. You're not following your joys, you're not following your passions. In fact, you probably don't even know what your passions are anymore. You're completely disconnected. And this can happen for a number of reasons, because we start making choices based on fear. For example, staying in a job that you absolutely despise, but you stay in it because it's security, the money's coming in every single week and you're afraid to try something new. It's about not believing in yourself, not trusting in yourself, and not feeling completely supported by the universe around you. And therefore, we stay in relationships that are toxic. We have negative relationships with our family and our friends. We have no joy, no hobbies. We're not spending our days doing the things that light us up, the things that we love. So in this incredible program, a 4-part module, we're going to be giving you exercises to help you reconnect with you, to start tuning into your intuition, to reconnect with your passions and find your true purpose. Because when you're living life on purpose, you make decisions based from a place of love, based on a place of choosing you over everyone else. You stop giving away your personal power and putting everyone else before you. And ultimately, that sort of way of living depletes us, burns us out, we end up resentful, and we end up manifesting disease. And the most common form of that, with a classic example, is things like breast cancer. So this program is designed for you to take back your power, for you to start living life on your terms, for you to learn what it is that makes you tick, what it is that you desire in your life. So dive in, and I can't wait to share the process with you.